Hi, friends. So, today I'm going to show you my life as a program designer. So, today I'm making an onset and rhyme activity for our students. So, let me show you. So, usually I design a template using Canva. Uh, and before I put them as a background on Jamboard. So this is the onset and rhyme number one activity. So the first activity I usually add a description of what the lesson is. So far this is what I have come up with. Uh, so onset and rhymes are another way to present decoding and spelling to students. Sometimes kasi they find it difficult to isolate individual sounds. So an alternative way to teach decoding or spelling is to break them into word parts in much bigger chunk. So instead of breaking them in individual phonemes, you can also try if they can uh, identify parts of the word using the onset and rhyme pattern. So onsets are word parts that include the first sound, the consonants before the vowel. So it could be a single letter, a single sound, or a letter combination, an initial blend. Rhymes naman are word parts that include the vowel and the rest of the consonants after it. So, for example, at and cat. So rhymes typically include the vowel and all the other letter combinations after that. It could be blend, it could be a long sound like in make, the ache in make, or other letter combinations such as TCH, match, catch, stuff like that. So I am going to show you how I visualize the activity. So first I'm going to think of a word. So this is an easy Jamboard activity. So I'm going to say bit, or maybe not bit because that's a difficult picture to look for. Let's say jam. Okay, so I put the word there and then I put all my onsets. So J will be there and I'll give other sounds R and maybe a T. And then I'll add the rhymes. So am should be there. I'm going to put in and I'm going to put at. All right, so I'm going to arrange everything here where I said the onsets are going to be in that part. So I designed it so that the onsets are in the beginning part on the left side of the board and the rhymes are on the right side of the board. So the the word is going to be in the middle. So I'm going to look for a jam clip art. So I'm going to use that one and there you go. So, how students will use it. So, the teacher will say the word is jam. What is the onset? So, they will pick among the three and they say j teacher. Very good. What is the rhyme? The word is jam, am teacher. Okay, look for the rhyme am. So, there you go. And then the word behind the picture is going to be the corrective measure, the corrective thing in the activity that will show them whether they're correct or they need more practice. So that's how I make the onset and rhyme activity for the Reading Owl Clinic. I hope that you learned something. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.